Have you ever considered having your love story depicted on canvas during the celebration of your special day? Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of live wedding painter. What is a live wedding painter? A live wedding painter is an artist who captures the essence and beauty of wedding event as it unfolds. They paint key moments of the ceremony and reception in real time, adding a unique and personal touch to the occasion. Why choose a live wedding painter? Number 1, they give an emotional connect, brings a sense of enchantment, creating lasting memories that go beyond traditional photography. Number 2, it's a personalized artwork. Each stroke of the brush is a reflection of love, making the artwork a cherishable keepsake for years to come. Number 3, it has an entertainment value. Watching the creation of masterpiece adds an interactive and creative element to your wedding. How to select the perfect live wedding painter? Number 1, style match. Consider the painter style and ensure it matches your vision of artwork. Number 2, experience. Look for a painter with a portfolio of wedding paintings to ensure that they can capture the essence of your special day. Number 3, communication. Establish clear communication about the expectation and desire of the moment to be painted. Live wedding painters add a touch of artistry and emotion to your wedding, creating a masterpiece that will forever capture the magic of your love story. For such more reels and content, subscribe to our channel and follow for more on Instagram @LiveIndianPainter. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.